Hey everyone, I'm back to get a little bit more practice in. So I've been learning just more about CSS since it was getting a bit tricky. So where we left off last time was on this. Here we go. So we had this recipe site. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So we did Sally's recipes, and then we added the 3 here. So then we can click on it, and then we would see here the recipe. Cool. So I was learning a little bit more, and I wanted to make some changes today. So let's see. So what I learned recently was the div tag. So like that'll put everything together. So I'm going to do that for each recipe. So we have how many here? So we have 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to, let's see, where does it start? What is this href? So we have the anchor tag. So I think this, ooh, okay, so there we go. I'll have to remove this. And that is, all of this goes together, and then this goes together. So we're gonna add the, the div. Okay, well, so many typos. Div. Okay. And then I'm going to move this to the end here. And let me put a little tab here and then tab here, just so it looks a little better. Maybe I'll scoot this as well. Okay, we'll just leave it like that. So that is 1. And then here, we'll do it again here as well. So we'll go div. Okay, let's see. And then we will close it after the anchor tag. And then we'll do the same thing for this one. So I'll put it outside. Okay, I don't think that visually does anything to it, but except it just sort of groups it together. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm also going to group actually the title in this picture. So it'll be right here. So right inside the body. So we'll make this div. And the reason is so I can like maybe mess with the spacing later. So there it is. So that's what I wanted to do for here. And then the other thing I wanted to do was work a little bit more on the styling. So I think I'm going to add a class to the recipes just so we can go in there. So we can start with the Crispies. So let's see, maybe we can, well, we have a class here with the recipe name. And do we have that here? No, okay, we have recipe title. So I was thinking we can do a little bit of styling. So this is what we have on the current CSS. So we made the brown text brown. We made the picture sizes. Well, why do I have 2? That's kind of confusing. So pic size here and here. Maybe we can delete one and see what happens. Let's see. So pic size are these 2, 3. So we have 3 pictures, but do we have any in here? No, we didn't name any of these. Okay. So I don't know why I have those 2. So let's go to show preview. Whoa. Oh, well, because it's on the wrong one. Whoops. Okay, show preview. And then we'll keep it on the photos. So I have pic size here and pic size here. So I'm going to maybe delete this one and then see what happens. I don't think, oh, okay, now let's add it back actually. And then delete this one. Oh, okay. So these are rather small. But let's see if we now do 300. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why we had that 3 times. So let's just keep them at 300. So we'll do that. And then the recipe name, what we did was we added a font here, and then we made the font lighter. And then the page title, which is Sally's Recipes, we also added a font family. Cool. So the intro, we made that here. And maybe we can do font weight as well. Or let's see, font style. No, not font style. Let's do font weight. I'm just looking to make it. Font weight, we'll go bolder. Well, that's not bad. Font weight, 300. I don't know what that did. I think it's already lighter now. Well, let's just go bold. Okay. Oh, and then the other thing we were going to do was put the title. Oh, we did put that in the div. Okay. That looks good. So let's see. Maybe we can try adding a border. But I need to set maybe IDs for each one. Let me look at my notes. I forget where I'm supposed to set the IDs. So the ID looks a little bit like, okay, so inside the div, I need to put the ID. Okay, I think we can do that. So this one is the Crispies. So we'll say ID equals Crispies. I don't think we've used that yet. And then here we'll say ID equals cookies. And then for this one, we'll do ID equals brownie. Okay. So then I think we can go to style, the style sheet. And let's try, let's see. Let's try with cookies. So we'll say let's go here and see what happens. So I think that, yeah, the ID is with pound, so we'll say Crispies. And then we can do something like maybe border. And then 10 pixel pink. Oh, and I think we're supposed to say solid. Whoops. Oh, okay. Okay, that's not bad. Interesting. Well, that's very, very thick borders. Maybe we can say 5 pixels. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Then I'll have to figure out how to maybe center this. But let's go ahead and add that to the rest of them. I kind of like how that looks. I mean, we could also center everything. Okay, I forgot how to do that, so it was something like, oof, align, text align, center. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. Well, now we'll do, I think it was cookies. And I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so that makes sense, but I need to figure out the spacing situation. So then we'll do the brownie. I did not spell that right. Brownies. Okay. So I also learned like about margins and let's see. So let's see, so we have margins, we have border width, we have borders. Okay. So we can probably enter, let's see, so this is the first one. We could enter a break here. Okay. So that works. And then we'll do it again after this one. Okay. Well, we'll also do one at the bottom, just so there's a little bit of space. There we go. So this looks good so far. And then we could click on this. Okay. We learned about, I forget what is what, but we learned about paddings as well. So I'm gonna go in and do that on styling just to see what happens. So we're under, let's see, Crispies. Maybe we'll do padding. I don't know what 0% will do. It looks the same. 10 pixels. What did that do? Oh, it did the top. So that's the padding. Okay, let me take a look at my notes. Well, it doesn't look the worst or that bad, but oh, I think it was margins. What do the margins do? Let's just go margin all around. 10 pixels. Oh. Oh, that is on the outside. Okay. Well, it's not bad. Okay. Well, let's add that. I kind of like how that looks. No, let me see. Let me delete it. Okay, I think I like that better. So no margins. This looks fine. So check out my recipes below. I don't like how there's like no space here. But let me see. Let me take a look at my notes here. Okay. Wow. I forgot what that is called. So it's not, is it the padding? Let's try the padding again. On the Crispies. Padding bottom 10 pixels. Oh yeah, that did work. And then what if we do padding all around? Okay, so that adds a little bit here at the top as well. Well, let's just do padding bottom. I think that looks better. And then this one. Okay. That looks a lot better now. So I like the improvements so far. It's looking good. But yeah, so this is what I've been learning so far. I do have Luxie here because it's hard to remember all of these things here. Let's see, so CSS. Okay, here we go. So we have font family. I haven't learned what this line height is, but I probably just need to review some notes. Padding, margin, border. Okay. I wonder what text decoration does. I don't know, let's try it. Text decoration. Oh, let's make it wavy. Oops, I don't know what that did. I don't think it did anything. No. Well, let's try something else. Oops, text decoration dashed. I don't think that does anything. No. Whoops. Okay, well. Okay. text what? Text. Shadow. I don't know what any of this means. Oh, a color. Aqua. Well, it's not doing anything. I haven't learned that yet, so I'll just remove it. Okay. Okay, here, so we did that. Change the color using the properties like color and background color. Adjust the layout by changing the padding and the margin. Add the new HTML page and link it using the anchor tag. Okay. So this is pretty helpful. I guess what font family do I have for recipe names? I have that. Recipe title. We made it italic just for fun here. And then we made it black. Intro, so font size. Oh yeah, that's this paragraph. Okay. Cool. Well, that's a little bit about what I've learned recently. It's like making these borders and all of that. I need to do a little bit more studying so I can make this better. But what I'm hoping to learn pretty soon is how to move this next to it, right? So instead of it going down, it'll go to the side and I can put like maybe 3 in a row and then another 3 in a row. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna keep working on this. So because I am making some improvements. So already looks better. Thanks everyone. Bye.